How to make a PPT presentation with pictures on your laptop. This tutorial shows you how to build clean slides in a few simple steps. First, open PowerPoint. Click Blank Presentation to start fresh. After that, click Insert at the top. From there, click Pictures. At this point, click this device. Select the image you want to add, then click Insert. In the next step, drag the corners of the image to resize it to fit your slide. Following this, click Insert again, then click New Slide to add more slides. Once done, repeat the same steps to add pictures to each new slide. From here, click Insert, then Text Box if you want to add captions or titles. At this stage, type your text and drag it to position it near each picture. Keep in mind, keeping consistent picture sizes and spacing across slides gives your presentation a cleaner, more professional look. Finally, click Slideshow, then From Beginning to preview your presentation. And that's it. If this guide helped you make a PPT presentation with pictures, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next